How to change the language on your Chromebook. Please note that not every language works with your Chromebook's menu. At the bottom right, click on the time. Click on the gear icon to go to the settings. Then select device on the left side. Scroll to the bottom and click on Languages and Input Settings. Find the language you want to use. If you don't see the language you want, click Add Languages. Choose the language you want, then select Add. Next to the language you want to use, click on the three dots and mark the box that says Show System Text in this language. Then select Restart. Your Chromebook should now be displaying the language chosen. Thank you.